of people have just been reeling and really thinking that the economy in the DR is mostly tourism. But export of goods and services is actually 55% of the GDP here in the DR. 11.6 or 12% of the economy is actually tourism. Now that's a big pill to swallow because a lot of people think that they rely solely on tourism, but that's actually last on the list. If you really start to look at what really makes up the Dominican Republic, you'll find it's exporting things like agriculture, cement, food processing stations, metal refining, mining, petroleum products, textiles, tobacco products, and at your very low end, 12% would be tourism. Some of the main exports here, you'd be shocked to know, is bauxite. It's actually a rock that's the chief commercial ore of aluminum. There's also cocoa, coffee, cotton, flowers, absolutely in no order. Mangoes, corn, oranges, avocados, rice, nickel, salt, silver, sugar beets, tomatoes, and tobacco. And some of the biggest places that the Dominican Republic actually trade with other countries is USA, of course, the United States of America, Switzerland, Puerto Rico, Spain, and Japan, just to name 5 out of the long list. That leaves about 32% of the income on mining. And then, of course, the very last percent on private businesses. So you see, a lot of things make up the Dominican Republic, so they will keep on going strong even in these times where things are closed down. So again, that's 55% of the goods being shipped, 11.6% on tourism, 32% on mining, and then your last percent on other private businesses. So you guys keep in touch, keep subscribing, keep watching. We appreciate you so much, and have an amazing day. Stay blessed, stay healthy.